Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable your Bluetooth icon is not working properly into your computer. It's a very short way to fix it, and if this problem fix yet, then don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment into the video description. So what you can do, you just simply convert into your search option and going to search for view network connection. And we'll get the best match over here. So if you click on open it, and then here you can see a Bluetooth network connection is disabled. So how are you going to enable it? Simply click on the right mouse button and then click on enable. And after that, your Bluetooth network connection is enabled into your computer. And now if you connected any of your Bluetooth devices, it will work properly and you will not face any issues with the Bluetooth. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.